If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Pro overheats, then the answer seems to be kind of yes. So it's not like the phone has heating issues on a daily basis during like random normal tasks. It's more like it might have a problem with heating during demanding tasks. So for example, if you play lots of games or if you use camera a lot, or I don't know, like anything else that is very demanding to run things on the smartphone, then at that point you might feel like the phone is overheating. And I've noticed that the phone can reach something like 45 degrees Celsius quite easily, to be honest. But it doesn't happen when you just use like social media apps, or if you just scroll on the internet or something like that. That shouldn't be really a problem. But definitely I feel like there are moments where you can definitely feel the heat building up, and the phone seems to be not handling too well with that. Of course, it is also possible that throughout updates, Motorola is going to optimize that, and maybe the problem is going to be solved. But currently, it is kind of possible to heat up the phone so much that you might think that it actually has some heating issues, or maybe it is overheating. I didn't notice any performance issues during that time when the phone was hotter, but definitely it feels kind of unpleasant to, of course, even hold the phone when it is so hot at those times. So something that you might want to consider if you thinking about purchasing this smartphone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.